Point. Oh, Nico, nag-drive. Oy, foul daw, pero wala. Poy. Umiskrin si Bibot. 3 points. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Nico, ganap na papasahan. Pinasa Gelmer. Oy, switch daw. Hesi. 5 to shoot. 4, 3, 2, 1. Traveling by Ray. Botan. 3 point. Good time. Bishop 43. Animan lang. Boss Mike. Hawak ng bola. 10 seconds shot lang. Kanina ang bola. 9 seconds shot lang. Boy. Turnover. Kenzo. Nagharap na papasahan. Pinasakay. Tapos. Ano ba yun? Kenzo. Tumira ng dress. No good. Rebound by Ashton. Foul. Step in the line. Boss Mike. Magtatanga ng tres. 2 points lang ba? 2 points lang. Dodong for 3. No good. Malakas. 5 minutes and 48. Rebound by Ashton. Pass to Kenzo. Ganap na papasahan. Pass to Dudong. Jump shot. 2 points. Boss Mike. Tres daw yun. Poy. Green daw. Turnover. Good ba yun? No good. Wala pa. Yan, good. Tira ulit. No good. Di ba na Poy? Poy. 45. Official score, 45-50. Dudong for 2 points. Okay, second by Ashton. Nag-drive. Fake. Oy, bola. Good. Boss Mike. No good. Kenzo. Pass to Ashton. 2 points. Boss Mike. Hawak ng bola. Tapos yan, nahuli. Kenzo. Nag-drive. Pass to Dudong. Pass to Ashton. Hindi nakita. Out of bounds. 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Boss Mike. Tumira ng tres. Tres ba yun? Yeah. Kenzo. Pass to Dudong. Umatake. Oy, follow up. Pass to Kenzo ulit. Umawa. Official score, 50-53, favored of Bulldozer. Poy, sumagasa. Easy, 2 points. Kenzo, mabawi ba? Tumira ng tres. Tapos. 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Out of bounds. Time out daw. Time out ng Bulldozer. Official score, 50-55, favored of Bulldozer. Lima pang inaabol ng Green Team. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Kaya pa daw yan. Second quarter na po pala tayo. E-boy tumira ng tres. Wala. Stop. Kenzo. Kenzo. Pasa kay Dudong. Matake. Easy 2 points. Boss Mike. Boss Mike. Tatlo na lang ang inaabol. Foul. Miss foul rep. Kenzo. Ilan ka na, Kenzo? Kenzo, 2. Pana. Boss Mike. Wala ang unang attempt. Sablay ang pangalawang attempt. Kenzo. Mira ng 3. Pasa pala yun. 2 points. Isa na lang ay naabol ng Green Team. Boss Mike ng Alabaw. Easy 2 points. Waka. Boss Mike ulit. Anong gagawin ni Boss Mike? Atake ba? Matake nga. Easy 2 points. But no good. Ibon by Dodo. Matake. Foul. Foul rep. B-boy. Graduate ka na, B-boy. 2 fouls ka na. First attempt. May isa pa kayo timeout. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. 54-57, favored of Bulldozer. Tatlo pa ang inaabol ng ating green team. Last attempt. Sablay. B-boy. Pass to Poy. Malakas. Ayun na. Matay si Dodo. Isitulin pa hindi. Nawala. Nagulangan ni Boss Mike. Boss Mike. Titira ba? Tira ba si Boss Mike? 10 seconds. Shot lang. Ball kilig wala. Dodo. Matake. Hindi pala. Tumira pala. Out of bounds. 3 minutes exactly. Boss Mike tumira. No good. Ibon by Kenzo. Dodo. Kenzo. Matake. Napasok ba? Foul. Mabalan daw. Dodo. B-boy, tatlo ka na. 3 points all. Parehas lamang. Poy. Nakak ng bola. 5 second shot clock. Matake. Pinabangga. Ganang oras, pumasok. Counted. Time out daw. Ganang bola rep. Green ball. Play. Kaya Elmer. Nag-fake. Tumirang 3. Basket. All na. Parehas lamang. Poy. Matake. Atake ba na wala ang bola? Nagkakagawan. Foul. Foul ba? Who's foul rep? Dodong. Pangilangan na. Ayan. Ilan na yan kaya? First personal. Foul. All 60 tayo. First attempt. Basket. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Last throw. Pasok ba? Basket para kay Poy. Kelmer, tumira ng 3. Basket, lamang na po ang green team. Boss Mike, nagtangkawal rin ng 3. Wala. Ibon by Dodong. Pass to Kenzo. Tumira ng 3. Basket. Lamang na po ng 4 ang green team. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Nahuli. Kaninong bola? White ball. Bulldozer ball. Boss Mike. Didiskara na si Boss Mike. Matay si Boss Mike. Foul. Who's foul rep? Kelmer. Pangilan? First personal para kay Kelmer. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Last throw, papasok ba? Basket para kay Boss Mike. Kenzo for 3. 3 points. Dos lang pala. Poy, atake. Binangga. Skelmer. Wala. Third pair. Ay, sa kanila pala bola. Wala. Na-reset. That's 50 seconds. Second lang. 55 seconds. $65-68 lamang ang green team. Kelmer, diskarte. Last 50 seconds. Step back, tumira. Oy! Grabe naman yun. Binawian ni Poy. No good. Foosball rep. Dodong, atake na libre, pinabayaan. Easy 2 points. 30 seconds. Boss Mike for 3. No good. Rebound Boss Mike. 2 points. Oy, bola. Last 18 seconds. Poy. Ano gawin ni Poy? 5, 4, 3. No good. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Counted. Third quarter. Official score 76-65 favored of green team.